In 2016, DP Review gave this Lumix GX8 Micro Four Thirds 20 megapixel camera the Silver Award. And on the front, Steve McCurry made this lens famous. It's the Nikkor 105mm f2.5 lens, often referred to now as the Afghan girl lens. That's the photograph he took. Now, here we are at a beautiful park. What kind of photos can we get with the GX8 mounted on the Nikkor 105mm f2.5 using a dumb adapter? Nikon F to Micro Four Thirds. Let's see some images right now, then we'll come back and discuss all the specifications. Roll it, Margaret.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet, wanna stay home, not even drink, wanna get out of my own head, wanna lay down, overthink, I wanna cry every tear I got, put on a dress, be a stranger's dream, lock up this heart.
Today we are shooting and taking videos in a great New York City public park. It's called Wolf's Pond. It's located right on the Atlantic Ocean. It has a great beach, great parklands, and a freshwater pond. It's a wonderful place. Let's look at some photographs right now.
I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your...
All right, guys, now that you've seen a few photographs, I want to just go over a few specs. We'll start at the front. This is the, quote, Afghan girl lens. It's the Nikkor 105mm f2.5 lens, made famous by Mr. Steve McCurry, National Geographic photographer. This lens was made in 1971. It was made for film cameras. He happened to use the Nikon FM2 with this lens to capture his award-winning cover photograph. Now, we are going to use this 1971 lens on this 2016 camera using an under $20 adapter. I paid for it. This is not a sponsor. It's the Photosay Nikon F to Micro Four Thirds dumb adapter, which means there's no electronics. This lens had no electronics anyway. Full manual focus, full manual aperture ring.
I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up.
All right. So the lens combined with this Lumix GX8, which takes 4K video, stereo built-in microphones, all magnesium metal body, Wi-Fi built-in. The camera new in 2016 was $1,200. I'm going to tell you how good this is. The used price on mpb.com, not a sponsor, today is $629 in excellent condition. So it's maintained 50% of its price, the new price, in over 10 years.
What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white.
It has a full PASM dial right here, okay, for program mode, shutter priority, aperture priority, and manual mode. This camera has built-in sensor shift IBIS, in-body image stabilization. I mentioned that it has a complete flippy screen, but this is what I use mostly. This is an adjustable angle electronic viewfinder.
If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you.
Now, what's interesting is this lens still, till today, because it's magnificent, still gets between $200 and $300 on eBay in used condition. The price will vary upon its condition, especially check for fungus, haze, oil on the aperture, scratches on the rear element, etc.
I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true.
Guys, what I want you to do is, of course, subscribe, of course, give me a thumbs up, but in the comments, I want to know what country you're watching my video in. Also, for 99 cents, you can become a member of my channel. There's a link in the description.